Hello student, today I brought a video on the topic Dalton atomic theory. In class 9th we will study the Dalton atomic theory and in the some basic concept of chemistry or unit first we study about the Dalton atomic theory. This theory is very important based on the laws of chemical combination given by the Lavoisier and Joseph Prout. And this theory also explains this law of chemical combination. The theory given by the Dalton was a very famous chemist of England, and this theory is still importance of the chemical chemistry. Here, in 1808, Dalton published a new system of chemical philosophy known as the Dalton atomic theory. The assumption of the Dalton atomic theory is given in the next slide. Here, assumption of Dalton atomic theory are: matter consists of individual atoms. The individuality of atom was given by the Democritus in the very earlier, and the name of atom is also taken from the Democritus. Dalton's taken the name, that is the individual particles of the matter, that is atom. It was given by the Democritus. It was hypothecation, but the Dalton proved this on the basis of experimental evidence that the matter consists of individual particles and it is not further divided again. No, all atoms of a given element have the analytical property. That means if we take any element and we split the element, and the ultimate particle, the simplest particle, that is the atom, and we compare the particles of the element, it is found that all the constant particles of the element are identical in all respects. That is, their mass, their volume, their chemical property, all these are same. That is the characteristic of the particles of the atom, particles of the element, including the identical mass. Atoms of different element are different in mass, and we compare the different element, their masses and volume. It is found that the different element have different chemical properties and physical property with the other. Now, compounds are formed when, third one is, compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. It was the same as the law of definite proportion given by the Joseph Prout. The same laws explained by the Dalton. The compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. That means Dalton also proved that the the constant element always present in the fixed ratio. And the chemical reaction involved reorganization of atom. There are other created not destroyed in the chemical reaction. That means whenever chemical reaction happen, the atoms of the reactants only reorganize, but no new atoms are created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. That is the concept, that new compound is formed during a chemical reaction due to the rearrangement of the atoms that involved during a chemical reaction. These are the four laws that given by the Dalton, known as the Dalton atomic theory. It is still away in the chemistry. But there are some limitations of the Dalton atomic theory in the context of modern chemical laws. Now, it was proved that the atoms consist of particles like electrons, protons and neutrons. It is the modern concept of the ultimate particles of atom, that atoms consist of particles like fundamental particles like electron, protons and neutrons. Thus, the assumptions of Dalton theory that the atoms are not divisible, that is, it is the ultimate particles which is not further divided again, becomes false according to the theory, because the atoms can be divided further into the fundamental parts, electron, proton, neutron, and this contradicts the Dalton atomic theory. First atomic theory, Dalton, that the atom is individual particle which cannot be further divided again. This concept given by the Dalton is proved wrong as per the modern theory. Now, discovery of isotopes revealed that the atoms of the same element possess their different weights. It was the discovery when the isotopes of the different form of same element which having same chemical property, that is the same mass atomic number but the different mass number. But according to Dalton, it is elements that have the same masses, element of a same element which constant particles have same masses, but here the isotopes have same element that have chemical property same but they have different masses. That contradict the concept of Dalton given in his theory. Discovery of isotopes revealed that the atoms of the same element possess the different weighted. Thus, the assumptions of Dalton theory that the atoms of the same element are identical in all respects become false. The two theory, that is that contradict the Dalton atom theory. First is that the atom is indivisible, that cannot be divided further again. It was also proved false, and it was given that the masses, properties of the element of the particles of the same element, atoms of the same element are same in all respect. It is also proved due to the discovery of isotopes. Now, with the modern concept, we again review the Dalton atom theory. Dalton given that every element is made of extremely small particles called an atom. The atoms are indivisible. But the modern concept is that atoms are not the smallest particles. It was when the discovery of electron and proton and neutron, it was proved that atoms are not the smallest particles. They can be further divided into subatomic particles like proton, neutron, and electron, proton, and neutron. This is the modern concept and the concept given by the Dalton. Here, Dalton stated that atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. But the modern concept, while the invent of nuclear chemistry, atom of one element can be converted into atoms of another element by transmutation. When the process of transmutation, when the nuclear chemistry in which one atom can be converted another types of atom by some changes in his nucleons. If the nucleons are changed, the one atom can be converted into another atoms of an element. That is the modern concept. But the Dalton, that the atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Nowadays, by the process of transmutation, many atoms are created also, many atoms are destroyed also. So the atom can be created and destroyed by the nuclear chemistry. No. Here the concept of Dalton was that atoms of same element resemble each other in all respects. It was given by the Dalton. But modern concept, why? With the knowledge of isotopes, we can have atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass number. Thus, the atoms of the same element may not resemble each other in all respects. They have different masses. They have same chemical property, but they have different atomic masses. That's the contradiction of Dalton theory with the modern atomic concept. Here, last one is atoms of different element differ from the atoms of other element. But when modern concept is, there are certain elements which are different their atomic number but have the same mass number. Here given the different elements of atoms are different from other atoms of different element differ from the atoms of the other element. But modern concept is that for the isobar, there are certain elements which differ in their atomic number. Their atomic number are different, but they have same mass number. That means their masses are same, but their chemical properties are different. Thus, the atom of different element may resemble of the same property. Dalton did not consider the mass-energy relation. According to the Einstein theory, in a chemical reaction, some masses is getting converted into the energy. This concept was given by the Einstein, that is called E is equal to mc square. Is given by the mc square is given by the Albert Einstein. But in the chemical reaction, some masses are converted to energy that is not explained by the Dalton. These are the contradiction of the Dalton atomic theory according to the modern concept of the chemistry. Okay, students, next we will come with another topic. Thank you.